The second major thing to achieve in quick digital acceleration is building an ecosystem. In the past, the key focus of enterprises looking for transformations was to further chisel their area of specialization. More specialization means narrowing down the scope of expansion, which further means more limitations and constraints. On the other hand, the unicorns could outperform century old companies valued at $1 billion in just 5 years or less. The secret ingredient for this recipe of such rapid success rests in the concept of ecosystem. The old school saying, don't expand in the beginning, you first specialize and then look for expansion, have no place in the room of wisdom anymore. The new concept that the enterprises must imbibe in their core pillars of foundation is developing and thriving in the functional ecosystem. Get into an ecosystem model. Forget engaging in the multiple silos. Rather, focus on offering multiple services to a diverse customer base.